In this section, I'll guide you through the exciting process of adding items to your digital universe. Before we dive in, let's understand the diverse categories that shape your avatars. Avatar offers a wide range of categories from clothing to accessories, templates to skins. The possibilities are as diverse as your imagination. Now let's add some items to your collection. Open the project in the portal and navigate to the left sidebar. Click on the economy, then select the items tab over here. Click on new item. First up, choose the gender. Avatar makes it simple with options for males, females, or common items. Tailor your selection to your avatar's identity. I'll choose male over here. Next, pick the category that suits your item. I'll choose top in this case. Enhance your creativity with templates and skins. Basically, templates provides a foundation while skins add that extra layer of uniqueness to your items. So basically, the items which you have got from marketplace are visible over here. I'll select the first one as template and this one as the skin. Now let's dive into the specifics. The platform generates a unique item ID automatically. Choose the status, draft, active, inactive or expired. I'll choose active in this case. So you can add a customizable display name as well as description. So I'll keep the display name as black sleeveless training top and you can add description, it's optional though. Gender is auto generated and you can choose between durable and consumable. I'll choose durable as of now. Now the options decide if your item is stackable or limited edition. I'll select stackable over here. Now let's talk about the price. Specify the currency, whether it's in-game currency or real money. I'll add real money as of now. I'll enter the amount 10. You can also add a personal touch with custom data using key value pairs to infuse unique attributes into your items. Make it visually appealing with thumbnails and artifacts. Click on generate thumbnail. Now you can modify the thumbnail by choosing the platform and size for the thumbnail and click on generate. Now click on generate artifacts. You can fine tune these artifacts including texture size, format and rig options. Click on generate. Now click on save. And there you have it. Your item is now a digital marketplace